everyone, this is Joanny A. Natinga, a Bachelor in Elementary Education student here at Caraga State University. Now, I am going to share with you my life and experience here as a CSU1 student here. As a student and also as a mother, because I'm already married and I have 4 kids, it is very challenging for me to go back and study. But I am not sorry because it is really my dream to go back to school. This is my daily routine every time in my class days going to CSU. I traveled from our place here at Sibagat, going to CSU Ampayon, Butuan City. I traveled 40 to 50 minutes from our place to CSU, depending on the flow of the traffic and if what am I riding going to our school, because sometimes I ride in the motorcycle with my husband and commuting a bus. It's very challenging doing this every day, but I know that I can able to do it because I trust God that He will guide us whatever we're doing and He will protect us in any circumstances. During the first day in our school, I asked myself, kaya kaha na ako ni? Is there somebody who wants me to be their friend even if I'm older than them? But after all, I gained friends even if there's just like one of my children, but I know I can trust them and we're helping each other doing our activities. Sometimes, because of lots of activities and to cope up some stress, we're walking around CSU, and because we need to relax our minds sometimes to avoid stress. There's many areas inside CSU that can help you relax your mind. Don't forget to give time to yourself to relax, because health is very important after all. One of the most important things to do as a student is to have a time management and budgeting your money. Budgeting is very important as a student because it can help you to avoid overspending and stay within your means. And that's all for today. I hope that this video gives an inspiration to everyone to continue study and pursue their goals in life.